Hi, good morning, all.
Good morning, Anna.
Okay, so how to log in S4HANA? First, we need to open Eclipse. This is the app Eclipse. Double click on this Eclipse. We'll go to this like this, and they have to add this project. How to they add project? Click on this, and you can add a web project. So whatever you have S4HANA system, that you can have to add it. So for me, we have SAP Lagan Pad. It will have two systems. One is BW, another one is S4HANA. So I choose second option because we are creating serious views in S4HANA system. Now go to here. So we need to do open perspective and select ABAP and click on OK. So in this way we have to do. If you want to create any serious views in S4HANA, first we need to add the project like this. Okay, then so till now we have created many CDS views. Yesterday we created this, right? Keep on. Yesterday we created this one. So what we created, same like SAP BW, however designing report in BW, in the same way we are developing in the CDS views as well. For example, we have a report. So we wanted to develop one sales report. For sales report, we required master data and transactional data. So yesterday we created, right? So master data we created. One is attributes, and then text, and calendar days, standard. This is standard CDSV. And finally, for transactional data, we created fact. So these are all we are all using into the complete product, composite, composite CDSV. Finally, we created into the composite CDSV. That is like cube. That is like cube. So in BW, what we are doing, on top of BW, we are creating, in BW also we have a cube concept. On top of this executed, on top of this cube, we are creating the report. We are creating the report and checking the results. Checking the results. In the same way, on top of these results, how we will create the report. How we will create the report in CDS view also we'll see. So we already created cube in CDS view, and now we will generate the one query. We will generate one query and we'll see the results. Okay? In BW and CDS view both are same. We just compare like this. Okay. So now yesterday we created complete CDS view. Now we will do, today we'll see consumption as well. Today see consumption and currency conversion as well. Okay, we'll see. Okay, then I'll how to make it as a cube and how to make it as a report. So already we made as a cube only. How you made it as a cube? See here, this is cube only. So on top of this, you can create the Bex query. You can create the Bex query and you can execute in RSRT. So in the BW, we are executing RSRT. In CDS views also, we'll execute in RSRT. We'll see how we will do it. So now there is a one T code. Let me log in S4HANA. ఓ ఆ టైంలో ఏమన్నా నెట్వర్క్ ఇష్యూస్ వచ్చిండొచ్చు కరెక్ట్గా అదే టైంలో. ఇప్పుడైతే సర్వర్ అప్లోనే ఉంది. జస్ట్ ఆ సెకండ్ మాత్రం నెట్వర్క్ డౌన్లో ఉండిండొచ్చు అంతే. ఆ సెకండ్ ఇప్పుడైతే నీకు సోర్స్ కరెక్ట్గా వర్క్ అవుతుంది. అసలు ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ చేసి చూస్తుంది. Now there is a one T code /n rsrts underscore odp underscore dis. This is the T code. Okay. Okay. rsrts underscore odp underscore dis. Enter. See, now we can see ABAP core data services. And we need to give ODP name. And by default it is use buffer only, so we will keep as a buffer only, use buffer only. So let me select our serious view. So we need to give this, we need to pass this cube name. Okay, see, SQL view name we need to give into ABAP ODP name, and we need to do execute. No need to do anything. Okay, just execute it. See, now it is generated one transient provider. This is our Bex query name. This is our Bex query name. This is Bex query name. Okay, now you can see this is the key. Okay, sales order is the key in our, you can see here, what is the key here? Sales order only key in our CDS view. Now you can see how many fields are there. Sales are calendar year, created date, Punnar, customer, and land text, and this is sales org text. You can see whatever you given all the names, you can see it. And we have a one sales document currency, WAERK. This is the unit, right? So here we did, right? This is the unit for the network. We given the reference. Okay. So that is the way we given semantic currency true. Yesterday we missed it. Okay. I given this one. And now we have a network. Network is like no sales order in amount, net value of amount, sales order amount. So it is 17 digits. You can see everything we have seen it here. Okay. This is the information available in the query. Whatever we have here, everything is available here. So how to execute here? See here, there is the option standard query. Execute. See, however, we are seeing in RSRT level, we can see like this net value, total value. This is in different currency, different currencies like ESD and INR. So that is the reason it is showing star. When we have amount in different currencies, then system will not understand. Okay, it will not convert automatically. It is showing as a star. Okay, now we need to drill down it. So we need to drill down it. So let me, where is the sales are? Okay. So we need to drill down it. What is this? So basically it is not working for me here. Let me execute in RSRT with the same name. Okay. Analysis of user list. Okay, it is not working for me. Let me check Fairy Launch. Fairy Launch will see it. Okay. Key figure definition. Fairy Launch. Okay. What is the T code? There is one T code. There we can execute that one. 1 minute. One minute. So Fairy Launchpad, I'm checking it. Yeah, I'm back. Okay, let me share you. So this is the URL for field launcher for me. Okay, I executed browser. I'm selecting for browser. I'm looking for browser in the field launchpad for S/4HANA. So where is browser? So many apps will be there in this. We need to search for browser. Browser is available or not, I'm not sure here. So basically here we will execute it. Okay. So whatever I'm checking here, this is like no transient provider generating. So just execute. Sorry. So whatever we created CDS view, that we can just execute in here. For me, don't have. Okay. Let me check this. First I'm also checking. Execute this one. So there is like no standard query. So this is like Bex query. It will create automatically. Okay. So this is transient provider. You can call as a transient provider. So this is the T code. Just note it down. RSTSODP underscore DAS. So whatever we created cube, so this is the query also. If you want to see the results, standard query, we need to go here. So in BW also we face the same issue. So for me it is not working drill down and all. It's not working. So even I'm trying to click on this calendar here. So it has to show here. Okay, it is not showing. It is not working these options. Okay. So I'm trying to display in browser here, Fairy Launchpad. So that option is not coming browser. Okay, browser. Here only we can execute. However, we executed BW Bex queries. We can execute here also. Let me check this one, where it will go. Nothing happening. Business partner. Okay. For me, it is not coming that option. Okay, let me search for query. For me, it is not working. We'll see. Okay, let me search for my query. Will come or not. Keep all. Then I will search. No. So it is not working. I will check with backend team. Generally, like this, we need to execute. Like need to, okay. Here will come browser. So generally it will come, okay, browser. So that will work same like RSRT. However, we are executing here. Same thing it will come. Okay, go back. We'll try another way. Standard query. Okay. Once we click, it is going there. RSRT and not a bits. We'll go for analysis office. A web. I will try this one. We will create only these queries on top of like this only. So if it is a cube, analytic data category as cube, then only we will generate the query. Otherwise, we will not create it. Remember that point. Okay. So same result will come there also. They will analyze. For analysis, it will be very good. Okay. So I just want to show you. I'll check with you. I will check with team yesterday, tomorrow. Why it is not working? Generally, I want to show you many options. So, okay, let me open in BW, how it will be looks like. Okay, let me go to perspective, BW modeling perspective. Okay, here I will go research perspective. Yes. Okay, however, you can see where is BW server? This one, right? See, now I am trying to log in BW. So how we are executing big queries? Execute. Okay, here also we are executing. Same way it will works. So for me, this is not working in CDS view and also BW also we tried. So we tried with this one. What is this? Fairy Launchpad. If you go here, we have a Fairy Launchpad. This one. I tried in BW like this. So in the same way it will work. So whatever we created objects, we can able to see, right? Data management and query. So in the same options will display over there also. Okay, that query we need to search for like this. Okay, execute might be it will come. No. So here also not coming because that is server is different. So however we created that, how we are seeing the display reports and all. Well, let me try with execute. Whatever we created this one recently. So by default, how it is displaying the records, by default, how it is displaying, you can see, right? By default, it is displaying calendar year, month, calendar date. Okay, we already kept into the rows. Okay, what is the Bexquery name? So we need to open it. Okay, here, close. And what is our Bexquery name? Go to find. The test. Bexquery name, right? See here, so we drag and drop calendar year and created on date, right? Created on date. So that is the way by default it is showing in here. By default it is showing in calendar year and month. So for CDS views, how you will drag and drop? There is a one keyword. Okay, there is a one keyword. So once we add into the CDS view, by default that will automatically it will come. So no need to drag and drop for CDS views. Okay. And you can drag and drop also, that is possible. So even CDS view executes also, it will come. And go to layout and it will give the better. Okay. All options will come. Here is there, just drag and drop, use it. So by default, it has to come in rows. We need to write some we need to write some annotations. What annotations we have to write? So we will see it. Okay. Now let me go here only, CDS views. Okay. So this is the CDS view, right? So once you write code, there is a one word. Okay. If you write that, so automatically that will comes into the, for example, sold to party, sales organization. So we need to write one thing. Okay, one word. What is that? Other rate analytics. Other rate analytics. That. Okay, no. Other data analytics, control space, analytic details, and query, query, and that access. We're telling to the, okay, access, and we need to give hash rows. So like this, no, automatically sales arc will come to the rows. This is the way. By default, sales arc will come. And in the key figures, we can see only net value. This is the net value. This is the net value. So I will show you, okay, once I work with team, so then I can able to execute in Fiori Launchpad. Okay. So like this, we can see, okay, execute, okay, execute. By default, it will show sales organization. It will show sales organization. Only net value it will display in the Bex query level. Only this is the sales organization and the net value. So what is the distinct value for this? So we can see these values. Based on the sales organization, it will show, and this here it will show the amount. For me, at the moment, it is not working for me. I will show you tomorrow this one. Okay. So how we will do currency conversion and all? First, before going to that, we need to pass variable also. Visa, right? How to pass the variable. Okay, for this one, we'll see. Go to define view. So here only, uh, as per trailing me, the following reports are failed. We have executed manually from application side. We have checked all source details. Everything is fine. Everything is okay. Can you please check whether there is any issue in system in prior to 5:30 a.m. on that side? I'll check this. BW no BO. BW ne. Between connection BW to source is BW, target is B1 B2. Okay, so let me add parameter as well. You can give it. Okay, define view. Okay, while you are defining it, so here we need to add something. Okay, And one more thing we can add. Okay, so we will do it in consumption view level, or else you can do hmm, with parameters. Where is this? With the parameters. Okay. So this means parameter means we are going to pass currency. So once you execute this CDS view, it will ask you enter the currency. So based on this currency, you can, okay, it will convert it. Okay. That is the way we are giving this one. Okay. And one more thing, you have to give the date also. So currencies, how it will work based on the exchange rate, right? So daily dollar rate, it will not be constant. Day by day, it is changing. So we need to give date also. Based on the date, it will check and it will give you, right? Yeah. Okay, like this. And we need to give some, where is network? Here. Here we need to write some code, okay? I will keep here, okay, this one. The date semantics. That is semantics. Amount. Amount currency code. Aggregation by default. Just to hash. And before this, so right, this semantics. So we are giving reference.